Understanding the phrase, crack the eggs, an English language guide. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, crack the eggs. This is a common phrase you might encounter in everyday English, especially in cooking contexts. Whether you're a beginner in English or just looking to expand your vocabulary, this video will help you understand and use this phrase confidently. The phrase, crack the eggs, literally means to break the shell of an egg so that the inside, the egg white and yolk, can come out. This is a basic step in many cooking and baking recipes. When someone says, crack the eggs, they are usually referring to the initial step in a recipe where you need to open the eggs to use them in a dish. Let's look at some examples of how to use crack the eggs in a sentence. 1. Before making the omelette, you need to crack the eggs into a bowl. 2. Can you crack the eggs while I mix the flour and sugar? 3. I learned how to crack eggs without getting shells in the mix. These sentences show the phrase in action, illustrating its practical use in everyday English, particularly in cooking scenarios. While crack the eggs is primarily used in cooking, it's important to understand that in English, many phrases can have figurative meanings. However, in the case of crack the eggs, the usage is mostly literal and specific to cooking. It's not commonly used as a metaphor or in idiomatic expressions. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, crack the eggs, and how it's used in English. Remember, mastering a language involves learning its phrases and idioms, which can be fun and interesting. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.